Meet Allie, the AI-powered manufacturing platform based in Mexico that's transforming the way companies operate. Allie is here to help manufacturing businesses boost their productivity and increase profitability and streamline their operations. Many manufacturing companies face a common challenge, which is that the unexpected machine failures that happen. These failures lead to costly downtime, impacting both productivity and profits. Identifying the root causes of these issues can also be a daunting task, making it difficult to prevent future disruptions. Allie steps in as the solution to these problems. It connects both the old and new machines on a production line, collecting real-time data. This data is then sent to the cloud where AI and machine learning models work their magic. Allie identifies patterns, correlations, and potential failures before they happen. What makes Allie truly special is its ability to anticipate failures and provide actionable insights. Allie's key features include real-time data collection from machines, AI and machine learning-powered insights, predictive maintenance, efficiency, and optimization. Currently, Allie is already making a difference for 12 manufacturing companies in Mexico. The platform's success has spurred plans for expansion into other countries in the near future. In conclusion, Allie is a game changer for manufacturing companies, offering a solution to the challenges of unexpected machine failures and inefficiency.